Our planet Earth is beautiful and at the same time mysterious. Sometimes on our planet there are moments that science cannot explain, but this does not mean that they do not exist. Today in the video I will show you 5 scary things caught on camera. Number 1. 2 friends went to an abandoned psychiatric clinic. Nothing portended trouble, but suddenly there was a noise from the second floor of the clinic. They decided to go up to the source of the sound and find out what was there, but suddenly something very scary came out of the door. Here is the video. Number 2. Now I will show you a very mystical video. The video was recorded on a video surveillance camera somewhere in the jungle. On the video a man walks near a house, but suddenly a black, inexplicable silhouette appeared from the left side, which knocked the man off his feet and dragged him behind the house. The further fate of the man is unknown, but what do you think? Write your options in the comments. Number 3. In the video, a small child is playing with a mirror and her mother is filming everything on a video camera. When the child turned away, the camera recorded a terrible phenomenon. Number 4. The video was taken by a surveillance camera. The video shows an unknown creature running across the road at high speed. The creature resembles a large dog, but it is not. Many people claim that it is a chupacabra. What do you think? Write your answers in the comments. Number 5. The video was shot in Pennsylvania on the outskirts of a village near a forest. People often hear strange sounds. A man who lived nearby took a camera and a flashlight, approached the source of the sound, and saw a large white creature appear from there. Here is the video.